Welcome to Affiliate Monarchs. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of making money online with 5 unbelievable methods that you probably haven't heard of yet. If you're tired of the same old ways to earn money online and are looking for something fresh and innovative, then you're in the right place. In this video, we will not only introduce you to these unique money-making opportunities but also provide you with actionable steps on how to get started. Our goal is to inspire you to think outside the box and explore unconventional ways to boost your income from the comfort of your own home. It's crucial to understand the importance of exploring lesser-known methods of making money online. By venturing into uncharted territory, you open yourself up to new possibilities and potentially lucrative opportunities that others may have overlooked. We believe that innovation is key to success in the digital age, and we are here to guide you through these uncharted waters. So, get ready to be amazed, inspired, and motivated to take your online earning potential to the next level. Let's dive in and discover 5 unbelievable ways to make money online that will leave you wondering why you haven't tried them sooner. Be sure and subscribe for educational content and information centered around affiliate marketing and entrepreneurship. Method 1. Virtual real estate flipping. Virtual real estate flipping is a fascinating and potentially lucrative online income strategy that involves buying, improving, and selling virtual properties for a profit. Just like traditional real estate flipping, the goal is to purchase undervalued virtual properties, enhance their value through various means, and then sell them at a higher price. To succeed in virtual real estate flipping, it's essential to have a keen eye for identifying profitable virtual properties. Look for virtual spaces with high demand, unique features, or potential for customization. Consider factors such as location, aesthetics, and market trends to determine which properties have the most potential for a profitable flip. While virtual real estate flipping can offer substantial rewards, it's important to be aware of the potential risks involved. Fluctuating market conditions, changing consumer preferences, and competition from other flippers can all impact your success. However, with careful research, strategic planning, and a willingness to adapt to market changes, the rewards of virtual real estate flipping can outweigh the risks. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this exciting method and provide you with expert tips and insights on how to navigate the world of virtual real estate flipping successfully. Method 2. Social media content licensing. Social media content licensing presents a unique opportunity for individuals to monetize their creative work and earn money through platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. The process involves granting permission to others to use your content in exchange for a fee, providing a passive income stream for content creators. To license your content on popular social media platforms, start by familiarizing yourself with the platform's terms and conditions regarding content usage and licensing. Many platforms offer built-in tools for content licensing, making it easier for creators to protect their work and generate revenue. Creating marketable content for licensing purposes involves producing high-quality, engaging, and original content that resonates with your audience. Consider incorporating trending topics, utilizing eye-catching visuals, and showcasing your unique style to attract potential licensees and maximize your earning potential. By leveraging social media for content licensing, creators can enjoy a range of benefits, including passive income generation, increased exposure for their work, and the opportunity to collaborate with brands and other creators. Stay tuned as we explore the ins and outs of social media content licensing and provide you with valuable tips on how to monetize your content effectively. Method 3. Online consignment selling. Online consignment selling offers a unique and profitable way to generate income by selling pre-owned items on platforms like Poshmark, eBay, and ThredUp. Unlike traditional e-commerce where sellers own the inventory they sell, consignment sellers act as intermediaries, earning a commission on each item sold on behalf of the original owner. To succeed in online consignment selling, it's crucial to source high-quality, in-demand items that will attract buyers and generate sales. Consider partnering with individuals looking to declutter their closets or garage sales to find unique and valuable items to sell on consignment. Additionally, focus on curating a diverse inventory that appeals to a wide range of buyers to maximize your earning potential. The potential profitability and scalability of online consignment selling are significant advantages of this method. By leveraging the power of online platforms and reaching a global audience, consignment sellers can increase their sales volume and revenue over time. With the right strategies in place, such as effective marketing, excellent customer service, and strategic pricing, online consignment selling can be a sustainable and lucrative income stream. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of online consignment selling and provide you with expert tips on how to maximize your success in this thriving marketplace. Are you enjoying the educational and informational content? Be sure to like and subscribe. Method 4. Data monetization platforms. Data monetization platforms offer individuals the opportunity to earn income by sharing their data with companies and organizations looking to gain insights for marketing, research, and product development purposes. These platforms operate by collecting and anonymizing user data, which is then sold to interested parties in exchange for compensation. When considering data monetization opportunities, it's essential to choose reputable platforms that prioritize data security and privacy. Look for platforms that provide transparent information on how your data will be used, stored, and shared, and ensure that they adhere to strict data protection regulations to safeguard your personal information. While data monetization can be a lucrative income stream, it's crucial to be aware of the ethical implications and privacy concerns associated with sharing your data. Consider the potential risks of data breaches, identity theft, and unauthorized use of your information before participating in data monetization activities. Additionally, be mindful of the impact that data sharing may have on your digital footprint and online privacy. By understanding how data monetization platforms operate, making informed decisions when choosing opportunities, and prioritizing data security and privacy, you can navigate the world of data monetization with confidence and maximize your income potential. Stay tuned as we explore the ins and outs of data monetization platforms and provide you with valuable insights on how to monetize your data responsibly. Method 5. Online course flipping. Online course flipping is a creative and innovative approach to making money online by acquiring, enhancing, and reselling existing online courses for a profit. This method involves identifying high-quality courses with potential for improvement, adding value through enhancements such as updated content, interactive elements, or additional resources, and then marketing and selling the revamped course to a new audience. The profit potential of online course flipping is significant, as the demand for online learning continues to grow rapidly. By offering enhanced and updated courses that cater to the needs and preferences of learners, course flippers can attract a wide audience and generate substantial revenue from their investments. To succeed in online course flipping, it's essential to carefully select courses with strong market demand and potential for improvement. Consider factors such as course relevance, instructor credibility, and target audience when acquiring courses to flip. Additionally, focus on enhancing the course content, improving the user experience, and implementing effective marketing strategies to maximize the success of your flipped courses. By understanding the concept of online course flipping, following best practices for acquiring and enhancing courses, and tapping into the market demand for quality online learning experiences, you can unlock the profit potential of this innovative money-making method. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the world of online course flipping and provide you with expert tips on how to succeed in this dynamic and rewarding industry. In conclusion, in this video, we've explored 5 unbelievable ways to make money online that offer unique and innovative opportunities for generating income from the comfort of your own home. From virtual real estate flipping to online course flipping, social media content licensing, online consignment selling, and data monetization platforms, we've covered a diverse range of money-making methods that can help you boost your online earnings. It's crucial to stay open-minded and explore new income strategies that may not be widely known but have the potential to be highly profitable. By thinking outside the box and embracing innovation, you can discover exciting opportunities to diversify your income streams and achieve financial success in the digital age. We encourage you to take action today by subscribing to our channel, liking this video, sharing it with your friends, and exploring related content to continue your journey towards financial freedom. Remember, the key to success lies in taking that first step and being proactive in pursuing your goals. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you thrive in your online money-making endeavors.